Tunay na napakarami ang nalulungkot at ngayon ay nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng sport journalist na si Chino Trinidad. Well, dito nga sa Wikipedia, kilalanin natin ang nasabi nga pong sport journalist at bakit nga ba napakarami ngayon ang nalulungkot sa kanyang pagpanaw. In this Philippines name, the middle name or maternal family name is Laksamana and the surname of paternal family name is Trinidad. Manolo Chino Laksamana Trinidad, July 23, 1967 nang siya ay pinanganak at pumanaw siya noong July 13, 2024. So ibig sabihin ilang araw na lang sana ay magbe-birthday na itong si Chino. Si Chino ay isang Filipino, sport journalist and executive who formerly served as a play-by-play commentator in the Philippines Basketball Association or PBA coverage by Vintage Television. Sportcasting. Trinidad started in Balitang Bayan numero 1 Sports Ngayong segment from 1991 to 1998 in DZRH. At he started as sideline reporter from 1993 to 1995 on Vintage Television's PBA coverage. He later worked as a play-by-play commentator not only on basketball games but also on boxing games like blow-by-blow. His notable play-by-play game was the do-or-die upset of Barangay Ginebra against Moviline Phone Pulse in 1999 PBA All-Filipino Cup quarterfinals. He also worked as a sports reporter on GMA News. In 2007, he lastly served as a play-by-play in RPN's coverage of 2007 FIBA Asia Championship. Sports management. He also served as the commissioner of Philippine Basketball League starting in 2000, replacing Yang Giao, his notable color commentator partner in PBA coverages. He resigned in 2010. He was also founding member of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas or SBP. He was one of the personalities who pushed for the rights of SBP as the Philippine Basketball Federation and fight against the failures of its predecessor, the Basketball Association of the Philippines. He was later a candidate in the position like Basketball Commissioner of the University Athletic Association of the Philippines in 2014 and Chairman of Games and Amusement Board or GAB. He was later appointed as Pilipinas Visman Super Cup Consultant. In May 2024, dito lamang po yan, Chino Trinidad was appointed the commissioner of its first professional pool league in the Philippines, Shark Billiards Association. He was also commissioner of the Pilipinas Super League. So ibig sabihin po, ito pong si Chino ay active pa rin talaga. Ito pa ang iba. After resigning in GMA, Trinidad focused on his founded cable channel named Pilipinas HD. In 2014, he led Pagpupugay, a tribute to Filipino sports heroes. That tribute got minor citation from the PSA Annual Awards in 2015. He criticized Chat Reyes and the SBP for mishandling the team in 2023 FIBA World Cup. Besides of being a former boxing play-by-play commentator, he also contributor to Philippine boxing. At ang sad news nitong July 13 ay ang pagpanaw ng minamahal na sports journalist. At narito nga ang kwento ni Igan, ang kanyang kaibigan, Mr. Arnold Clavio. Ayon sa ilang kaibigan, mga alas 11 ng gabi sa Newsport Resorts World, nag-collapse si Chino. Dinala siya sa San Juan de Dios. Massive heart attack na. May scheduled check-up siya kay Dr. Tony Leacon this July 17. Hindi na umabot. He was supposed to turn 57 this month. Kinamasta mo pa ako noong June 15. Ilang araw matapos ako ay magkaroon ng hemorrhagic stroke. Rest in peace, bro. Enjoy your journey. Pakikamusta mo na rin kami kay Ama Mike Enriquez. Paalam. Doon ay nakalagay nga ang nasabing convo na kinamusta nga ito ni Chino. At sabi pa nitong si Igan, makinig ka, hehehe, ingat. The worst is over. Sabi naman niya, marami ka pang gagawin at matutulungan. Say pa ni Igan, tayo at nag-heart naman si Chino Trinidad. Marami ang nalulungkot sa pagpanaw ng nasabi nga pong napaka-dedicated na sports journalist na katulad ni Chino Trinidad na talaga namang nakikipaglaban sa karapatan ng mga atleta. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.